Having this has been one of my secret weapons for my toolbox.
The RYOBI multi-tool has great cutting speed, great control over the cutting speed as well.
I love the RYOBI multi-tool. The ergonomic of it is nice. I love how the vibration is lower on this tool.
The versatility is unmatched with what you can do with it with all the different accessories.
This being cordless has been a huge upgrade. It's very grab and go.
One battery can go from one tool to the next.
One battery to fit every tool is my goal with my shop.
The lower vibration makes it easier to work with, especially when you're doing fine cuts.
In terms of efficiency, of speed, of cutting, I think it outperforms a brushed one every time.
Brushless has been such a power upgrade for me personally.
There's more power to them. The runtime seems to be a lot longer.
If a tool has a high runtime, that's super attractive to me.
The lock-on button of the RYOBI multi-tool is a great feature.
I use it primarily when I'm sanding, and it's just great to be able to take my fingers off the trigger and go to work.
When you're not having to hold a trigger down, you can do more precise work. They've really thought about how the end user works with it.
The developments that I've seen from RYOBI has been nothing short of impressive.
I don't know that there's another multi-tool on the market that provides the exact value that the RYOBI does.